Yeah man, my people, good morning. Been a while with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. You know, from the last time we cook at this location, it's the first we are shooting video at this location because we don't want to use the same location over and over to make the vlog get boring. So we're at Barham River this morning. We're gonna do some ital stew, roast breadfruit, and some jerk chicken. Yeah man, so dog the behind the camera. Big up to Nadisha, big up to Cam, Chrissy, Brina, Chinaman, Jonah, the entire Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog family.
So yes, peeps, as you can see, welcome back to Barham River once more. It's been a while we haven't been here because you know how things it. We have to change location. And you know we can't use one location every time. Yeah man, so we're there. I can't the river with the Barham. So we just go and do what we are doing. We line up the fire now.
We line up a machine. You know guys, view of the ear. Yeah. DJI himself. Yeah, so we are lining up.
Guys, make the chicken clean up, you know. Yeah, so I do some jerk chicken, some ital stew with some roast breadfruit. Yeah. Make the chicken clean up, you know. You know what I'm saying? I have to clean up the little part out of the chicken, you know. Look at red part. Yeah. Get them
Chrissy
clean up.
behind the camera, so now I get the garlic, then the peas, put on the peas boil, and then get the coconut, start grating the coconut, the stew. So stick and stay and go and watch the process. We're there I can't do river with it. It's been a while since we don't come here, so same things if you don't know. Caribbean Vibes. Oh. Yes, peas, we got adding some pimento seeds. Shredded ginger. Clover garlic.
That's the ital stew this, right?
Yes, man. Yeah. So we'll get the peas washed now. I'll get in the peas.
Come here, cool off. Time hot though. We're afraid of nothing happen to him. Mommy not make nothing there. Yeah guys, so I use one onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, season up the chicken, you know. So it was just, originally we were just gonna do some ital stew because it's been a while we haven't do like a vegan dish on the channel. But because of so many persons coming towards the river today, plus we're gonna have a lot of visitors because today is Sunday, so it's very right we prepare just in case person come, we can offer them some. So we're just gonna do just a simple jerk chicken along with the roast breadfruit and the ital stew. Just chopping up the season. Miss Chrissy there behind the camera today. Just going through and just chop them a little bit finer. So it would go good if we did have a blender, but we don't have a blender, so just using the knife. Likewise, we're gonna shred the ginger. So you're gonna wash the meat, some vinegar or lime water to reduce the rawness and get out the excess slime. So we're gonna add a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Not gonna make it too spicy because we have kids on the channel as well. Just cutting off a little bit of the pepper. You can smell the aroma coming from the Scotch bonnet pepper too. So one thing about Scotch bonnet pepper is not only hot, but it's full of flavor. Rasta man, what are you eating now?
Yeah, man, I get the fire line up, you know. I get all the breadfruit and on the fire. Start roasting.
Adisha, where you going with?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look hungry, man.
Come on.
Yeah, I'll shred out ginger,
Yeah, please, I get the coconut grater, the ital stew. You know, stew without coconut can't complete. You know. You can see peas are boiling, you know, sinky peas, you know. I want to sinky peas, you know, I use spark and push them down. I want to watch it. Yeah.
And I see them. That's what it's over there. He can't cook. I tell him to go wash your rice. My man go to dishwasher liquid and wash your rice. Hey, young girl better can't cook. Young girl you know to cook.
Yes, man.
yeah. Take notes from Chrissy.
Yes.
Really active, man.
Learn from the best of the best. Come see Dr.
Wife material, you know, people.
It's cooking job.
Yes, so after cleaning up, now the time for season up. So I use some cracked pimento seed. I use our local herbs and spice, ginger, thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper. So for our dried season, we're gonna use some Jamaican dry jerk. A little black pepper. Garlic powder, using some Maggi all-purpose, chicken season. I use some wet jerk marination, Walker's with jerk marination, so a little soya sauce. We're gonna rub in. leave to marinate for at least 2 hours. But depending on when you come on to marinating and meat to soak, it all depend on when you are gonna use it, because the longer the meat marinate, the more it come out good. So you can season it up all from the night before, no problem. Day before, same way. 2-3 days, the longer the better. Yes, so we add a little vodka. And so vodka jerk chicken time. Toss the chicken in the vodka.
Looking good enough. Smelling good.
Yes. That one actually can eat same way.
Yeah, cannibal.
No.
Everything
Yes,
you
I
love
like
raw.
that people love raw meat. Everything they love raw.
Everything you love raw.
Oh, everything will love
Be a
raw.
cannibal.
Everything will love
Pay
raw.
attention.
Oh, mind yourself, man. Mind yourself. Dog, get to hear Chris about everything we love raw.
She's son on me. So yes, please. We finally grate our coconut, so now get the juice. Throw in our peas, make it go and cook with the peas. The ital stew. And then we get the juice out now. Yes, peas. So peas are boiling up. We're adding the coconut milk. And our peas are leaving to boil. Rich flavor, watch it. What's it? Ital stew, roast breadfruit. Yes, please, I get the Irish carrot, salt of the stew. Currently cutting them up. Get this chimney in them. Cut up the ital stew. Yes, the ital stew videos.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Big up to Jonah. Bro.
Pick up Andre driver, I don't know anything. You think so?
Bring a warm to you. You hungry? Yeah, happy belated birthday again, Brina. I want Brina, one of the youngest subscribers. Brina follow the channel from before he even have 100 subs. And never stop follow the channel till she a part of the Caribbean Voice family and now. So happy belated birthday, Princess.
As well, happy belated birthday to Brother.
Ital show with a difference. You know, ital show can't complete without spinners in a head.
Ital is white.
Yeah. So it's been a while we not cook nothing for the vegan them, so we don't want to make it look like say Caribbean Vibes cooking at just pure meat, you know. So a little spinners in the ital show. So we're doing something for everyone. And may I say happy belated birthday to him man himself. Sir Dog. Yeah.
Respect and man
sir.
love my team.
One
It
love,
was a
bro.
great.
One love, bro.
Yes, man. Respect and man love. When you say one more year,
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
what you say, Chrissy?
One more year from the burger them.
Yes, man. Thank you. Man.
First and foremost, me I say thanks for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family.
Yes, man.
We love you, bro.
Yes, man.
Yes.
And it was a great look to see my team come out Friday night to support me at my birthday party. Yes, man. Love on my team. Love on Tall man, Jonah, China, my wife see me, Chrissy, the whole works. I love on. And we survive, you know. Caribbean Vibes.
Family over all things.
Yes, man.
Family. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Stew look good.
Oh my word.
I don't tell you if you want bag of salt. No salt. Ital stew.
Today and Brother D.
What you say, Jonah?
Oh, we're catering for Sister Nadisha and Brother D today.
Here I go when you come out of ital now. No bone, no suck, no meat.
Nothing. Nothing for dash, everything.
Guess what, guys?
Yes, man.
Chrissy, him just can't be a vegan for a day. Chrissy want jerk chicken. Can't be a vegan
What you
for
say,
a
Chrissy?
day.
Jerk chicken.
Just jerk chicken. We want that only chicken.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Soon grow feather.
Them Caribbean, man.
We have every chain.
Mm.
Ital is vital.
Yes, man.
Chicken is right here.
It's a good look.
Chef Gary, big up yourself. Yeah, Chef Gary, big up yourself every time, you know, when I left you out. That's true, you're not here.
Yes, man.
Remember you. Don't forget that.
Fully active.
I say we never want to try the people, but we are telling us a God do. The French fry Hastapas, but Gary, one more if again with the French fry Hastapas before now. Bless yourself anyway, daddy. Yeah, man, it's a good look.
Yes, please. It's a good look, man. See, there we come back up Candy River. River flow, too over, too rough, just smooth flowing today. Yes, man. It's a good look at Candy River today. Team active. Oh, great look.
Boy, time hot, my people. Time hot. You know? But big up to Chef Gary. Bro, the people them are requesting French fry hot steppers again, man. That man say, say, you have to do it again, you know?
Yeah.
That one just like how Jonah fall in love with the mango pineapple sauce. Man can't stop talking about it. That one, but you get it again, man. No worry yourself, my brother. You get it again.
No, not before time, like what you're saying at all, man. So we just have to be easy and hold foot and wait for a while.
It's a good look, man.
But it's always a good look. Just remember, like, share, subscribe, hit up the notification bell at all times. Okay? It's a good look, my peeps. Yeah.
Yeah, Chrissy favorite. Yeah, one Chrissy favorite. As an Indian, as a meat eater. Yeah.
No problem, because we have both competitions today. We have
Yeah, but-
vital is vital.
But to be honest, me never see no lion or no lion is a eat pure vegetable. You know?
Yeah, mind what you're saying, a brother dog is here.
Brother dog, nobody no love pork like brother dog.
I lie, I tell you.
Stop calling me name. Stop calling me name.
Besides chicken for yourself.
Oh, see there, you know what I do. Yeah, so Smirnoff jerk chicken today. You never know what you're going to expect when you come on to Caribbean Vibes cooking. We always try twist. You know, because that's how it's supposed to be. When you come on to food, don't be afraid to try things. That's how you're going to get good recipes.
Yeah. Fully.
I'm going out.
Yes, please. Guess who arrived?
Just a reach.
Yes, man. Ticia.
Just a reach, guys.
Yes, man.
Just reaching.
Fully active. Oh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh my word. Guess who just reached? Guess who just reached, peeps? Hey. Ticia.
Don't read all about it.
Alright. Fully active.
Okay.
Right,
One
yeah.
team, one dream.
Old dog for a long time.
Respect and balance and
Right, that's so.
Big up
All
yourself.
man in the kitchen as usual.
Yes, man.
Right, that's so man.
Fully.
We're there up on the ground, man.
Yes, man.
Right there.
Oh.
Yes, so I'm going to add in some cucumber, string bean, carrot, Irish potato. So all of these ground provision, they are really hard to cook. So naturally we cook the harder ground provision them first. Yeah, there. Go there.
Can't wait to get there. Vital is vital.
coconut milk turn up in it, Rasta.
Yes, sir. Watch your peeps. I hide from the camera from morning and come here. How go on?
Watch there.
What you up to?
Kevin, catch me.
No, sir.
Yeah.
When you see that, come. I hide from the camera. Pull it out.
Rum, bonus steak.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get party, you know.
You know what happened when
I ask every year what.
Oh my God, drop! Drop on! Yes, one camera, drop! Get one camera! Get one camera! Get one camera! OJ, come on, you make sense. Create me! OJ, come on, my old plate.
Yes, sir.
Let's get rolled down our river. Run,
Yeah.
yeah, man. What a night. I'm a monkey. Tata, oh, man.
I want to please not enjoy themselves. Come on.
Monkey, man. Hey, quiet. Come on, tell him to stop pushing shit.
Pull it out.
Okay, you have to come over, Kevin. You know you can't touch this. Look at me.
Yes, peeps, you know, we can't let out the man from the place, you know. Can be. Real big man.
Big up Caribbean.
Fully active, man.
Big up.
Yeah, man, they make everything possible.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Fully active.
Boss,
look about
I really
it.
look at thing up the same way.
Mm.
I will look at this and that. Can
Nice
come
box,
through.
everything, same way.
And
Don't know
support
anything.
it at the thing same way.
Yes,
You know,
man.
It's a good look.
Mm-hmm.
And the one candy, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, good youth. You know it go.
fully out.
I'm gonna do a positive thing.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yes, so I'm gonna make the sauce for the jerk chicken using the same juice from the marination. Just adding a little bit more wet jerk. Add some vodka. Make it burn out a little bit.
Eats the bamboo,
my
no beer.
favorite, you know. A lot of health benefit. We're gonna add some tomato ketchup.
So me I got stir jerk vodka sauce. You see it's getting thick. Looking beautiful and the color. Get a taste.
All the pepper.
Getting
Wow.
You hear that? It's really hot, so you know. Kick
But
to
you like
it.
it spicy, so you know how it go.
We're that spice.
Yeah.
But guys are really nice. Get in there.
Yeah.
So we are going to season up and now we are going to start by adding some fresh thyme, onion, bell pepper, scallion. Yeah man, Jamaican people call it sweet pepper. See the stew there.
I can't wait to get in the Rastafari.
We're also going to add a ripe tomato in a hit. The stew is optional on what you want to add in a hit.
Yeah.
You understand? So anything where Caribbean vibes cooking, add in a hit based upon of the volume of food that we like and what we eat.
Well, we are freestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
So we are going to add a little all-purpose seasoning in a hit. Then we are going to add a green scotch bonnet pepper in a hit. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to slice a small hole right up at the top just to release a little bit of spice in a hit. Yeah, so we are going to add some stick butter in the stew. So we're actually building our own flavor when it comes on to the stew. Yes, so we are going to add a sweet corn in this stew. As I was explaining before, so stew can be anything that you like. You know, you can add yam, dashi in, because it's just a vegetables stew. So we're adding a sweet corn.
Oh my word. Can't wait to get in that stew, you know. What stew?
Hold on, Rasta boy. Yo, you want me cool it one?
Cool, man. Tell you. Oh my word. That is it. Ital stew. Oh my word. Taste it, Jonah. Can't wait.
Caribbean vibes, it tastes as if it's meat in it.
Oh my word, it is like
telling you,
it
it's
is like
all
one look piece of corn pork, right?
Oh my god. Nobody said that.
Brother, chill.
I'm gonna turn off sister that thing.
Ah,
Chill.
why?
Not do that.
Why? It's so nice, not you know. But peeps, come now here. With their candy river. Come get my ital stew with roast breadfruit. Wicked.
So my people, a lot of adjustment on the channel today, because first it was just ital stew with the roast breadfruit. But because you know a lot of people always follow Caribbean Vibes cooking, so we say alright, we're gonna do some jerk chicken, right? Just so everybody can get something off of the river today. So now we're adjusting again. We send go and get some rice. You know, so stew with white rice.
Oh my word.
Can never lose.
Yes,
Plus
man.
me I tell you, the stew has something to talk about.
Good man. Good man.
Bro,
I first want to taste some ice stew, you know.
Come on.
Yeah, we have to get it out. Yes.
then we now go make a taste, brother. Nah, man, come in, man. Come in, man, boy. You're not ready. You're always ready when you come on to Caribbean Vibes cooking, brother.
Yes, man.
That one.
Cool, brother. I look like you had some brother.
I'm cool if you, man. You know, I get hot. I'm cool if you.
Right?
You're hot, brother, man.
What?
Man, can't talk. Big up, yeah, nice.
Wicked.
You know what, spinach, that's delicious, man. Nalisha, when the food ready? So right now, spinach limited.
So, but I'll take off the stew now. Yes, peeps, see there. Coca-Cola. Can't wait to get enough me now. I can't make a big bash today, you know. I fully.
So, as I was explaining, based upon for the amount of persons on the channel today, we decided just to do a little bit of white rice. Adding in the white rice. Now just wash the white rice. So as usual, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, salt, butter, pimento seed. Make it boil up for at least 20 minutes. Yes, so we just toss in the chicken in the Smirnoff jerk sauce. Just adding them on the grill. So we're just making them drying up a little bit also, catching a smoke flavor. It's a favorite. People, Chris we eat jerk chicken every single day in life. See that on the channel, I eat all different type of things. Chicken is favorite.
What's the Chris your favorite?
Fly away. Chicken to the world. I chicken you can get me. Alright, chicken get you. Chicken get you. As you can get me.
Something get something.
Hey.
Jerk chicken to the world.
Yes, man.
Hold on, any camera one. Any camera. Yeah, my people. Blessings of a flow. Blessings of flow like a river. There's never a dull moment shooting video at Barham River. So whatever time we shoot video, rain always fall. The last time we cook at Tistis and Sata party, rain same way. So we actually finished cook now, which is good. You know, we always walk with the canvas because we're still in the hurricane season. So, which is good. You have so many persons at the river today.
Yeah, man.
Big up brother Jonah.
Always.
Big up Chrissy. Dinner done. Big up Brina, Kevin, everybody come. Sata, Tistis, everybody there.
Hello, Auntie B there.
Brother Chinaman, brother Michael, brother Raleigh, brother Cream.
Cream, big up yourself, bro. Big up, bro.
And guess who they left? Party ball. Yeah, we can't left party ball.
That's Cream.
But we know him as party on the channel, people. Say, I mean, yeah, one, but big up party, bro. Yeah, so we are share the food now and make everybody enjoy their Sunday dinner. And man, as usual, thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. We really appreciate the love. The support is amazing. Thank you.
Yes, peeps. Food I go share now. So I say ship come ashore. Ital stew, jerk vodka chicken. You don't know what things it. Yeah, I go share the food now. Boom.
Yeah. So we're just checking on the chicken, and a lot of people may be thinking, why do I add the chicken them in the base sauce and then add them back on the grill? In order to keep the chicken moist and not dry out. That's a way of getting the chicken to how me want it juicy, right? Also you can use a red stripe beer just to coat them, you know, so you give them a nice beer flavor, also keeping them moist. So that's another way of getting the chicken moist and not dry out, like people will say like this jerk chicken is too dry. So when I do it like this, you get the chicken juicy. Yeah. So we're just drying the sauce on them right now. I'm just waiting on the rice just to steam down a little bit more. Once more, happy belated birthday, my brother dog.
Yes, man. Respect our manners, man. Fully active. Yes, peeps. Finally we reach it out. So we're going to get the food shared because it's now wait for a morning. So, let's start sharing food then. You want a little rice? And a slice of breadfruit. We didn't plan for rice still now, just breadfruit and stew and jerk chicken. But fortunately, some of the breadfruit they are overripe. So we have to run to the shop and get a little cheap on the rice and say, yeah, that has to be back up. Yeah. So,
Improvise, that's what they say.
Yeah.
Improvise.
yes, man. Yes, peeps, it's a good look. Rain and shine, okay. Get the chicken salt out.
So we're actually gonna let everyone who's on the channel today taste both the jerk chicken and the stew.
Yeah.
So just a little piece of chicken with a little ital stew.
Yes, man. Yes, peeps, you know. And a little stew alongside the jerk chicken with the breadfruit and the rice. Oh. Come on, wait now. Let's get the food, man. Get the food, man. Food there for everybody. It's a clear rain, but you know how it is set. Team Caribbean vibe at it again. Oh my word. You know when it comes to share, man, I love share, man. And when they say, yo, I was still want people share, I just love share. Cooking, my dream. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog.
I see you like it slidey and simple.
Come,
It's
please,
simple
come.
when it wet.
It's soft. Yeah. Come on, the sauce, man. Let me put the sauce, man. Put the sauce, man. Take up your one. Give me leg, man. Take up your one. I love it when it's sauce in the time.
It's a sat I love it when it wet. Chrissy, you like it when it wet too? Eh?
And your son is slippery and wet.
I see you like it, come. I'm mad in my mad out. And for general one that you carry? Yeah.
No, let me.
Love when it wet. This is love when it wet.
You know one class by myself, my father.
Please go and take up one nice one.
My Angry Granny, come in, Angry Granny. First time on the channel. Angry Granny.
Hold it up now in the bottom class.
With the jerk chicken,
Eh?
special sauce, alongside roast breadfruit. Oh my word, Caribbean
Oh, so
Vibes.
now this I help me well,
Did it one more time. Start and pick up your goddamn self. Red and dark, this and a t-shirt.
It's a blessing, man.
Oh my word, the whole vibe, the whole crew.
Right, that's up. I ital stew, you know. Solid. Just like pigtail in there.
Pour up a coconut milk, my father. Yeah, man, along with the spinners, you know? Yeah.
The bad man, they're good.
Real talk.
If you know me, can't touch me.
Because my plan was today was just strictly do a ital show vlog. But because Chris said, we not forward for anything because me never was going to shoot video, yes sir. I paradise my dog about you. Chris said already telling about this a location. So I say I can't shift back again. You know, because I tend to want to use up a lot of different areas. Yes. You understand? So, and just regular white rice. Just regular white rice. But you know stew go good with white rice. Yes, sir.
And roast breadfruit, same way.
Yeah. Yeah, respect my bro.
Nice. And there is jerk chicken.
The cranberry, the Smirnoff jerk sauce.
Batman. Nice. Batman.
Hey, you kid. Talk to the people them.
Yes, man. I tell the peeps. Oh my word. I little kids them. I want to wicked. Where's about to show you? Okay. You want more dumpling? Oh my word.
They will find one little spinners they give.
Yeah, man, I search one little spinners. You say one more dumpling nice too. Sweet you. Dumpling nice too. Oh my word. Wow.
Brina.
It's a good look.
Sister Nadisha.
Watch a bring a lick of the food already. Look there. Tall man.
Sister Nadisha. Can't talk, guys.
can't talk.
Can't talk.
Oh! The shy one,
We
people
are
shy
hungry,
one.
we can't talk. I know you know from morning. Breakfast and dinner this. Yeah man. Shoot
Tall
ball
man.
yeah.
Watch out. The shy. The shy one, watch out. Done already, you can be the shy one done already. She says she want more stew. More stew. Oh my word. Oh.
I'm not going to have the most short.
Yeah, this one sir.
You can't go.
So then we put a kind of, you know what I'm doing. But they never, they stay too long. It's too lonely, it's going to have to worry myself.
Breadfruit sweet. Where's the white breadfruit?
Nice, dog.
Yellow hot breadfruit, oh my word. Right.
Man, the party is second round.
See that? More stew to I can't
More
wait.
stew, my one. And that me a request, you know.
Stew.
Stew.
Yo, tell man. Look like a half dozen dumpling they put in that stew.
Yeah.
Come to you, man.
See that share out the whole of dumpling, my brother.
Because a half dozen they put in there.
Yeah.
You need more than half dozen, right? Yeah, John, look at it, look at it. Yes.
My word.
Yeah.
Thank
Listen.
you very much.
Yeah, man. I'm not sure my own know still about that. You know what I think, said? I'll show myself to the world. Yeah, time, man. I'm sure to my time. Yeah, I can't wait to get to this studio. When people talk about this studio, I can't wait to get tonight. Oh, my word.
But tell me I get the pepper.
Ah. What's the boy? I can't wait to get to him. Tell man, can't wait to get to him. So, hiding a tip out the breadfruit.
Yeah, man. Breadfruit, roast.
Ah,
You call me name.
no. How much for that chicken you want, bro?
Breast is the best.
You love suck breast?
Yes, man.
It's like a nature in your tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, I find even one dumpling for you, see this? Yeah, she is true, I don't give a dumpling.
Chef Gary. Chef Gary, brother Michael, brother Raleigh, brother Cream.
I hear sound of it there. I hear sound of it there now over there. Oh,
Alright.
Take your baby. Can we save that sugar then turn that breadfruit very sweet?
that's funny camera. You want water? Arena Park. Where you want water, Arena Park?
That one, that's that. Whenever time breadfruit turn, that's how it tastes. Really, really sweet.
Really
Guys,
sweet.
the food nice. Really, really nice. Breadfruit sweet. The vodka jerk chicken and the stew. Thumbs up, guys.
Watch your peep, super my face. You come down and take you whole pack. Where? When it says show, me that. Yes, man. That's why I feel love this show like wow. What's your?
Water knock you over.
Look at you them here tell you. Are you to see it? It's all about show, a healthy way to live. Too much meat.
Too much meat.
And every day you have to eat meat.
So,
It's all about, you see stew. I like when I see some look you can gravitate to. When you cook stew, ital stew, you look you them can gravitate to the stew. Yes man, more stew they say. When you say more stew, give them an place for the stew. Yes man.
vital is vital.
Right man.
Show is the best.
Ah.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
People look for an addition.
Yeah man, I see part left. Sweet this part left and I pack butter. My aunt tell me that if I'm told, every time I cook on it, can't you want to rice, I pack on me one. Doesn't want pack butter.
Yes. My time now, everybody eat. I enjoy themselves on my time now. Let's know what I go on.
Make sure you catch the kids them. Tell them a good guy. Catch them there. So.
Please, what's the plate, please?
all, man. I hope you will catch you now. I just will catch you up on the block now.
Yes, on the plate, please. Yes, sir. Ital stew, white rice, breadfruit, and jerk chicken. Oh my word! Oh, come on.
Here, taste this.
That's angry, right there? Yeah. I'm going to get angry for the food. I'm going to see you.
Why food nice, you share? God almighty, you want some more, but me not know about the big one.
Yes, man. If I will, little more.
Beer chicken bad.
Bad.
Where you get beer chicken from?
Jerk chicken.
Jerk.
We are confused.
Peeps, my neighbor, all food, sweet him. I'm confused that about jerk chicken. Christine, my angry granny. Big up yourself, angry granny. Watch out.
Angry granny.
I'm a grandson, I give you chicken.
Sweet. Watch it.
Jay, you want to play it? Nice. Oh, you want to play it?
Pepper. Boss, I love the pepper.
Look like sauce.
Why we not play clean?
Guess what? People, let me turn the camera right there, see me. Everybody forget one person to eat, and I mean, that's what I go on. Nobody remember the chef, nobody remember boss. Eh? Nobody no even remember me, guys. That's what I go on. Nobody remember me today.
Half my time now.
That's our dog, guys.
People, stew. Every day I eat stew. Gina, you miss something. Jaja.
Oh my word.
I want to chin up, man. You get left out of choke. Take a space.
I'm going to take a space, yo.
Angry granny gone with your space bread and dinner.
Oh.
The stew is something to talk about. Not tell you guys, you know, say chicken not for me, but boy, I am.
Stew.
The stew bad.
Say stew not have no chicken in it. It's too bad.
Like
No lie.
It's like meat when none in there.
Too bad.
Yes, finally get to give him a review. Man, this stew is something to die for. I know I would eat this stew all night, all week.
Yeah.
The coconut milk said it all, you know? The sweet corn, the vegetable, the season perfect. You can taste the little spice. Come on to the Scotch bonnet pepper. However, you know, over spicy where person are afraid of eating it.
Right.
And these last of these kids, when you see them gravitate to this stew, you can know, so yeah. Because they look at a burger and chicken and them things. And when you see them gravitate to this stew, you can know, say yes, it's a good look. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
Tell them, respect our manners. Caribbean vibe? Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
People, I just want to allow me to eat my food today. To be honest. I just want to allow me to eat my food.
Nothing wrong with
A
that.
Caribbean man, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Big Bad channel. Caribbean Vibe Cooking Bar. Boom.
Whoa. Yeah. Another beautiful day on the riverside, you know. Everybody having a eat and a joy.
What's up? See there? Stew can't complete without. You look at the roll, pull it down.
Roll us them. Who get radam? Somebody get radam today. See that radam. Watch again. Watch out. Don't do it, boy.
Beeps, me tell you, Jano. See there? I pack me the scrape out. I tell them food I can't eat one time. China. I would have bring home some of the food for you, but you're going to vex with it like I watch her. Now eat for your share. See that? Boy, this is food too bad to get home. You feel like say it, I go turn over like you. So get some. Now eat it for you. Because I don't want to waste. The food never waste. Good food must not waste.
And
but
bust
eat,
stomach and
eat
belly.
and bust gut. Yes, man. Oh. John, man, it's a good look, man.
Yeah, man.
Team Caribbean vibes, we love it all.
It's two alone. It's two alone can be eaten.
Yes, man.
Along with bread
Anything.
or even a fried flour or something
You
like
two
that.
fried dumpling?
You know you go.
Yes, man.
Two alone, oh my word. It tastes as if meat is inside of it and there is no meat.
Yes, man.
Believe me. Yeah, man. Properly done.
Yes, man. Yes. Come and ride the wave on the raft. Yeah. Yes, man, it's a good look, man. Belly full, everything. For the raft.
Wash your frogs, you know? Sometimes you have some frogs, wash it off.
Chrissy, you know smart?
Yeah, I'm so super. How she's just out there so relaxed. The ganja why everything is so calm. Come Brina, you're there. One. Jump yes, one. I got that up no.
Yeah, you're wicked!
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. After eating and full, them belly, man, enjoy themselves. What do you think, Zed? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you learn to swim, jump off and practice.
A lot of cereal, my people, as far as I can see. It's a lot of cereal. You know, being a Jamaican, when you come on to Christmas, cereal is very traditional when you come on to our household, okra tree, and cereal. So the cereal them a bloom up and all. Beautiful afternoon. Sky is a little bit overcast and rain a drizzle. You know, Caribbean vibes cooking always show out the content. Yeah, look at them a blossom up. All I tree them a bloom up and up to spring out up upon them. Big up to Candy himself. Okra them fat, my general. Okra tree them fat. Yeah, man. So I'm just show my people them the cereal farm, you know what I mean? Looking good, see the cereal them there. Cereal them up, blossom up, you know. Get ready for beer. You know, guys, them time to time. Chinese hold them. Bamboo tree, you know.